Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by auditing the essentials so your efforts land where they matter. Run a speed and mobile check, confirm pages are indexed, and pick one SEO app to centralize fixes. This reduces noise. Then map 3-5 target keywords for each product or collection, focusing on intent and search volume. Once done, add structured product data so search engines display rich results. Make sure to save changes and test one product page to verify markup and mobile rendering before moving deeper. Now you optimize on-page elements to tell search engines and shoppers what each page is about. Start with unique title tags and meta descriptions that include your primary keyword and a benefit-driven call to action. Next, structure the page with H1 and H2 tags, improve product descriptions for clarity and conversions, and add concise image alt text for accessibility and image search. Also create internal links between related products, collections, and blog posts to distribute authority. This helps crawling and increases time on site. Finish by locking down technical SEO and launching monitoring. Ensure canonical tags and 301 redirects are correct to avoid duplicate content, then submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Compress images, enable lazy loading, and verify structured data with the testing tool. Once live, set up weekly monitoring for rankings, traffic, and crawl errors so you catch issues fast. If indexing or ranking stalls, check for robots restrictions, sitemap errors, or blocked resources. Resolving those usually restores visibility quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.